Get that construction shit up, huh?
Yeah, it wasn't working out. My buddy, and he was a drinker, but I didn't know he was drunk. He led to work being kind of a shit show all the time.
Yeah.
But being away from the family was taking a toll. I had to come back home.
Yeah.
There is our main line for the yarder. Boss had to go clear to Longview last night or yesterday afternoon to pick up the main line. I busted it. He definitely had a long drive over to Western Washington and drive back last night. That's what you got to do when you own a company. Pretty good man. You know, I like working for him. Good honest person. You know, him and I had a discussion. You know, I've had to chase my money for past logging outfits.
Take Nick got you tight, Sean.
And
What was that? Yeah, I take it Nick got you tightened up. Copy. Keep an eye on him.
anyway,
Yeah, well.
it took one outfit, you know, quite a few months to pay me off, and the last outfit I cut for, they still owe me a paycheck, you know. And being my boss, Heck, had that discussion.
He goes by, Dave, go ahead and go around me. I'm not gonna make very good time with this week.
10-4. And you know, I told him, I said, I don't chase my money, and he said, well, he goes, I don't make guys chase their money. You know, you do the work, I'll make sure you get paid, and that's all that matters. You know, the guy does the work for you, you know, pay him. That's one thing, I don't take a guy's money and not do the job he paid me for. So anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll give you a view at the 2.5, the morning view. How was that drive over the pass? Heck,
Fucking sucked.
yeah, I bet. What time did you get home last night?
Dude, I got home at 2:30, changed my fucking clothes, and headed this way.
Man, I feel for you. Yeah, I didn't fall asleep until about 11:30. I tossed and turned, and my dang left arm kept going numb. And
Yeah, I left Longview at 8 last night, and yeah, stopped one time for a half-hour nap, and other than that, just been coming on.
got a water truck coming out. Well, see you guys at the 2.5. Well, you guys get a drive-by view this morning. Traffic's pretty heavy, so hope you guys enjoy that view. Have a great Tuesday. Hope y'all are doing good. Wish you good health and happiness. We'll catch you on the stump. another day in paradise. I know at the start of yesterday's video, I said I was gonna show how my buddy Danny swings trees around. But one of the viewers, he does a lot of firewood and stuff like that, and we've chatted a few times, and I took his advice. It's probably best that I don't show how we do that. It's better left to those who do it every day. It's not for just everyone. I don't want to be the guy that gets someone hurt. You know, I don't want them to say, well, I seen Mountain Life do it on his channel, so I figured I'd try it. So that's not going to be me. I'm sorry, not sorry. I don't want that on my shoulders. Someone getting hurt or worse, that or hurting someone else. So you guys are just gonna have to enjoy the show. This is not a how-to. You know, I'll show tips and tricks like with the gas jug, how to file a chain, just little stuff that I do, maintenance on my saws. But I'm not gonna show you how to fall a tree. Honestly, I don't feel qualified to be telling people this is how you do it. Yes, I can fall trees. Am I qualified to teach people? I don't think so. And I'm gonna leave it at that. Like I said, I don't want to get no one hurt, being they see it on my channel and think that they're gonna try it out one day. So anyway, hope you guys respect that. If not, then maybe go to a different channel that teaches you how to, and listen to someone else. So anyway, we'll get flipped around and cut another tree here. That'll be all up here. It's time to head to the bottom and start a new strip up. So yeah, like I said, you know, It's not a how-to. If you guys enjoy watching, that's great. You know, I hope you can pick up little tips and tricks like with gas jugs and filing and some common sense. You know, like I said, I don't want to risk someone getting hurt trying to do what we do, and it's not worth it to me. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll go cut some more timber. Thanks to all those who joined our live feed last night. It's been a minute since we've been on live, so it was great to get back and chat with people.
Ah.